Hello everyone. Why you lost your girlfriend and how you can get her back. Yeah, the feeling of getting dumped sucks. There's no question about that. Sometimes, you can go crazy thinking about all the things that went wrong in your relationship. But the bottom of the line is, the reason why your relationship ended is because your girlfriend's lost attraction for you. No, it wasn't because you left your dirty laundry around the house or that it's her, not you, it's because the foundation of her attraction for you faded, and it's your fault. Though there are ways you can re-attract your girlfriend, and I'll get to that in a second, you have to first understand why she dumped you. Only then will you know how you can get her back. This is what I like to call the 6 deadly relationship sins. Now, I'm not saying that you committed all of these mistakes, but chances are you probably exhibited at least one of these characteristics that pretty much forced your girlfriend to leave you, even if she's claimed that she left you for another reason. The first deadly sin is a common problem that over half of men have in their relationships, and that's being way too controlling. Women are repelled by men that put unrealistic restraints on their lives. Though asserting your dominance in a relationship is important, you have to know exactly when enough is enough. If you don't, then don't be surprised that your girlfriend or wife left you. The second deadly sin is a bit of a weird one, but always seeking external validity from your girlfriend is a huge attraction breaker. What does that mean? It means that you constantly seek out your girlfriend's approval. Asking questions like, "Do you love me? Do you think I'm fit enough? Is my penis big enough for you? Did you have a good time?" repel women. It's like saying to her that you aren't confident enough or good enough, and this reeks of insecurity. The third deadly sin is being jealous all the time. Were you jealous that she was flirting with other guys? Maybe she was hanging out with a guy friend that you felt a little suspicious about. Well, if you did exhibit this emotion, then again, don't be surprised that your girlfriend lost some attraction for you. Jealousy is the ultimate form of insecurity. So now that you know only some of the relationship killers, how do you go about re-attracting your girlfriend? Well, it starts with employing some of my most powerful psychological techniques. Yes, even if things seem completely hopeless right now, you can get her back if you know what you're doing. Let me first introduce myself. My name is Brad Browning and I'm known as the Relationship Geek. I've been helping thousands of men across the globe win back their ex-girlfriends. My success rate is over 90%. Even if you think your relationship with your ex-girlfriend is completely torn, I can bet you there is a way to make her fall hopelessly in love with you again, or at least make her want to sleep with you again. You see, what a lot of men do when they get dumped is start acting like complete wussies. They'll start asking for forgiveness and start begging for second chances. If you're guilty of one of these mistakes, then you better start listening to my advice, because chances are you're doing something right now that is pushing your girlfriend further and further away into the arms of another man. So do yourself a favor and check out my free video. In it, I'll tell you exactly how you can get your ex-girlfriend back as soon as possible, and I'll go over some other deadly sins as well. But you better check out this video quickly because I have extreme feminists groups protesting me to take it down. These women think the psychological techniques I use in this video are too manipulative, in other words, they work too well. Again, be quick about it before it's taken down forever. Click the link in the description below.